Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our third skincare Saturday video. So I'm in my robe and it has been, y'all, it's been such a long day. There has been a lot of editing. I spring cleaned my house. What else did I do? I spring cleaned my house. I did some editing. I cooked a really healthy keto friendly meal. I am considering going keto, but I wanted to try out some recipes before I officially did it. So it has been such a freaking long day. So I am taking all of this off. Now, first things first, because my hair is freshly washed, freshly straightened. I want to keep it out of like product basically. Oh my goodness, I'm having so many issues. Why do I do this to myself? I'm gonna take a hair tie and also tie my hair back because I don't want my hair getting involved in this. So I'm gonna do a double cleanse. I can't find my coconut dissolve from Pacifica, but it's fine because that's not what we're here to talk about. So I'm gonna go find my coconut dissolve, wash my face off, and then follow it up with the Pharmacy Clean Bee. This is from the first Skincare Saturday video, and I still love it. Going on 3 weeks now. Still love it. So I'm gonna go wash my face off real quick and I'll be right back. I'm back. So my face is clean and makeup free. Before I go in with the water essence, I'm gonna do like a whole video for everything I use daily, but for today there's certain things I want to talk about first. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face with the Pacifica Crystal Power Mist. I feel like it just kind of preps my skin for whatever I'm about to put on next, which is now, it's the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. As you can see, like when you wiggle it around, it's like a gel, not so much a water, but I rub this between my hands and then I pat it into my skin. And I'm gonna do a whole separate video on this and this, but I want to start with this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Cooling Water Stick, and I like to put this under my eye and on my orbital bone. I feel like it just kind of helps prevent my eyes from getting puffy. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pearlescence Radiance Perfecting Serum. This is a vitamin C and a hyaluronic acid. As I mentioned in the previous Skincare Saturday video, you want to make sure that your serum is in a dark bottle, which this one is. It is coated in a paint so you can't see through it, and it is also nice and thick. I'm just gonna put that on my hands, rub my hands together, and pat this in my face. So the whole reason I enjoy this serum for night, I also put it on my neck. The whole reason I enjoy this serum for night is because it has the hyaluronic acid as well as the vitamin C. So I'm gonna get that like brightening boost as well as like the help with like dark spots or freckles or anything like that from the vitamin C, but I'm also gonna get that hydration that gets locked in from the hyaluronic acid. Now, before I go in with the product, we're gonna talk about, I'm gonna spritz my face one more time with my Pacifica, just to add some moisture on top of that hyaluronic acid. My nighttime is like strictly about moisturizing and keeping my face moisturized and waking up with like a nice glow. So this product I'm about to talk about has pretty much almost replaced my normal night cream. So if you remember from my previous Take the Day Off With Me video, I have a Wake Up Beautiful sleeping mask from Pacifica. I do still alternate that in my routine enough, but unlike that product, which is like a thick cream, this is a gel, and I use this probably 2 to 3 nights a week, and then I'll use the Wake Up Beautiful about 2 nights a week, and then let's see, so that's 5. And then on the 2 nights that I'm not using either of those, I will use a hydrating or radiance mask, whatever's just gonna like help hydrate and make me glow and pretty and all that great stuff. I usually use the, let's see, so I use like a hydrating mask that's gonna help me glow. So it's either a hydrating or a radiance mask. I have a few. It's either a peel off or a sheet mask. I don't really have any clay masks that are for like hydrating. I will usually use that on a Sunday night because I have to be at work early on a Monday. And then on Wednesday, the other night, I don't use either of these 2 products, which is technically my Friday. I will do a like deep cleanse, and I will go in with my normal cleansers. I'll pretty much do everything you've seen so far, except before I do my essence, I do the clarifying mask, and that's usually a clay mask, so, or a peel off mask. It really just depends. And then I will go in with what you've seen so far. And then I'll go in with an actual like my day cream, for example, and I'll put an oil on top of that. So I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna see if you can guess what it is. I will give you a hint. It is a sleeping mask. And I lost the little spatula that comes with it. Okay, so I don't want to dip my fingers in there. That's why I use a Q-tip. And I literally just rub this all over my face, including my neck and my eyes as well. However, when I get to underneath my eye, I will just lightly press it along my orbital bone, and it smells so good. And I really didn't need as much as I just put on, but I don't care because it feels amazing. And I am gently, like I'm not even pulling at my skin. And I am gonna take whatever is excess on my hands and lightly tap under my eye. And whatever's left on my hands is gonna stay on my hands. So, any ideas what I may have just used on my face? I'll give you a hint. It's pink. I have been obsessed with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I feel when I wake up the next morning, my face feels refreshed. It is lightweight, it's not greasy, it doesn't make a huge mess, and it just smells so good. And then, just because I like the way it feels, and just because I want that extra little boost of feeling, ooh, I'm bougie, I go over it one more time with my Pacifica Crystal Power. Okay, so it is hydrating. It helps lock in all of that, talking about the Glow Recipe, helps lock in all of that moisture. And it has watermelon in it, which is a natural brightener for your skin. So I attribute me not wearing a whole bunch of makeup to this. I still wear makeup, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably never gonna not wear makeup. Because even if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, I still wear makeup. But I do really, really enjoy this product, and I'm extremely excited to try other products from them. I know they just released a pineapple C brightening serum. They have the avocado version of this. I know they have a mist and a daytime moisturizer of this. So there might be more products in the future that I'm going to be trying, but I do also, I must say, and this is not a reason why I bought it, but I love the bottle. And you get 2.7 fluid ounces, and it's $40. Like, this will last me a long time, especially considering the fact I rotate products. But it doesn't irritate my skin. I haven't experienced any breakouts with it. I haven't experienced any irritation, any redness, anything like that. So I'm really happy and grateful that I have purchased this product and become obsessed with this product. I also know they have a sheet mask, but I get sheet mask and Ipsy all the time, so I'm not really interested in trying a new sheet mask right now. But yes, so it is good for glowing radiance, it's good for softening, and again, it's not greasy, so it's not gonna make a mess all over your pillow. Your skin absorbs it pretty quickly, and I personally love the smell. Like, I love the smell of this. It smells amazing. And then after I do this, I will finish it off with my Aero lip balm, which I can't find at the moment. It's around here somewhere. But thank you guys for joining me for Skincare Saturday. This is the 3rd episode in the series. And yeah, the hype that surrounds this with its nice fresh watermelon smell, and it's just cute. Like, it's cute. Oh, well, I just locked the thing on here. Anywho, all right, so the hype that surrounds this, I definitely say it's worth at least trying, like going into Sephora, seeing if they'll give you a sample of this, because it's definitely worth it in my opinion. My skin is hydrated, my skin is glowy, and my skin feels so soft, and it feels like a facial in a bottle. I will see you guys next time on the next episode of Skincare series. I haven't 100% decided what we're going to talk about, but I can tell you it's probably going to be a mask. Maybe even a mist. There are a few mists out there. So the next video might be something I already have and something I already use, or it might just be a special purchase. You never know. But stay tuned and we will dive into a new product next Saturday. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell so that you too can enjoy these products and get my honest opinions on them. I will see you guys next time.